Hello all the lovely Hello all the lovely people here watching me. I am Neha and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, The Limitless Neha. I hope you all are doing really great. So finally I'm on YouTube. I don't know from how long I'm planning, but now finally. Okay, leave it. It's a really short video to introduce myself. I will making video related to lifestyle, fashion, skincare, makeup, beauty hacks, fun challenges and many more. So the content in this channel is not limited. That's why I provide the channel name Limitless. Yeah, so if you are interested in seeing these type of video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. I come up with a new video super soon, and I'm on Instagram also. If you haven't followed me there, then I provide in the screen somewhere ID, and also I provide link in the description. Follow me there also, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.